Guys, and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your Samsung Galaxy F14 louder. So to start, open the Play Store, then look for the Volume Booster app. I'm always using that one, so you have to download it and install, or choose any other app from this list. Never mind. Okay, so now we have to open this app. If you're doing it for the first time, you have to click no thank you 3 times and add a permission. Okay, so the tool is still active in the background. If you want to use your booster speaker power, just use for that this little slider. If you want to increase that to the max, to the 16%, just give it in the right side of your phone. Just adjust it to your needs and go back. The tool is still active, but if you want to turn it off, open this app in the background apps and choose stop service. Click OK, and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.